Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by finding the recording file and confirming it's in a supported format. MP3 or M4A are safest. Once done, pick your transfer method. A USB cable is fastest, Wi-Fi apps are handy, and cloud sync works across devices. Make sure your phone has enough free space before transferring. You'll also enable file transfer mode on the phone if using USB. This immediate setup reduces interruptions and ensures the next steps move smoothly without wasted time. With the connection active, open your phone's storage view or the transfer app and navigate to a sensible destination folder, like recordings or voice. Then drag or upload the file. Watch transfer progress to confirm completion. Once copied, rename files using clear dates or topics so you can search quickly later. If your app supports metadata, add title, date, and tags. Making these organization choices now saves time when you need the recording again and prevents duplicates from cluttering your device. Finish by opening the recording in your phone's media player and listening through to verify quality and completeness. Check start and end points. If it won't play, make sure the format is supported, convert to MP3 or install a compatible player app, and then retry the transfer. If playback is fine, back up the file to cloud storage or an external drive to prevent loss. If issues persist, reconnect via USB and repeat the transfer, while watching for error messages to diagnose the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.